When we do that, and I can't sound forced to me, it's kind of a easy fasting, your secret. And I would love to have any daily recommended moments with the video ever moment. And ever wondered why gamers debate so fiercely over keyboard switches? It's almost like choosing between two rival superheroes. Um, on one side, we have linear switches, smooth operators delivering seamless keystrokes. On the other, clicky switches announce every press with a satisfying bump and uh, audible click. Hmm. Which one actually turns up your gaming skills? Uh, Linear switches move straight down without fuss, like a steady lead actor, uh, performing flawlessly every time. They lack bumps or clicks, offering consistent resistance. You'll find them in popular models like Cherry MX Reds and Gutteron Yellows. These switches are beloved for their smooth ride. It would bring drama to the stage to the Saturn military amount of plane, which means I think that the stage tests are masons in the ever, like access to. There's a tactile bump plus a sharp click sound at the moment. The T activates. Think Cherry MX Blues or Kalebox Whites. This audible confirmation ensures you know your input landed, no guessing involved. And from a performance point of view, linear switches often edge ahead. Without the extra bump, keystrokes register faster, especially when you're hammering keys in rapid succession. Their actuation point, the depth needed to register, can be as low as 1 millimeter. And clicky switches usually trigger a bit deeper, around 2 millimeters, making linear setups a speedier choice for Twitch gaming and making these kind of damage. And then there's the actuation force, which is how much pressure you need to press a key, which is, protecting, not protecting. Linear switches generally demand less, around 45 grams, meaning less finger fatigue during marathon sessions. Clicky ones require a bit more oomph due to their tactile bump. So if your fingers start feeling like the cast of a heavy metal band, linear might save the day. Sound is where the war really clicks and clacks. And clicky switches can get loud. And imagine your keyboard chatting away as if in a meeting at 2 a.m. Their noise often matches everyday conversations, which can annoy roommates or colleagues, not too hard. Uh, Linear switches whisper quieter, Fox, better for late night raids or shared spaces. Customization options have exploded too. Both types come in various forms with different spring weights, stem lengths, and materials. Some gamers take this so seriously they lube their switches or swap out springs just for that perfect feel. Hot swap keyboards now let you tie different switches effortlessly without soldering. And when it comes to long gaming marathons, linear switches often win for comfort. And their even resistance can reduce strain, letting you keep pushing W or any other key without tiring out Deli Mac. Clicky switches give precise feedback, but that extra force and bump can wear down fingers over time. Durability-wise, mechanical switches are tough veterans, built to survive tens of millions of presses. Linear switches age gracefully, while clicky ones might lose their distinctive snap, but keep working. Professional gamers mostly pick linears for their speed, especially in FPS or MOBA games, but some genres still prefer the tactile certainty of clicky keys for complex combos. So which should you pick? If you crave speed, quiet play, or stream often, linear switches seem your best bet. But if tactile feel and audio feedback boost your confidence in your tricky game moves, and your gaming layer is noise tolerant, clicky switches might suit you better. Some settle for tactile switches, the middling cousin offering a subtle bump without a loud click. And a keyboard joke to lighten the mood. Why did the gamer bring a ladder to his keyboard? Because he wanted to reach the high keys. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,